Alright, we're doing an unboxing of Meteo ldrago Metal Fight version, ldrago Destructor Metal Fight version, and Jet Wyvern. And I hope this is the rare one because I only have the rare Longinus and the rare Spriggan. I'll show you guys the rare Spriggan soon. And a Metal Fight version of Meteo ldrago 7 Vortex Spiral Dash. This is another Spiral Dash that I have. I used to have one. And this is like cheating system. Get it out. Can't get it out. Do it later. This has rubber, just so you guys know. And maybe if you put on the sticker for faithful, put sticker for the driver. And now let's see unboxing Jet Wyvern. I don't have a knife, so I don't have a knife, so I'm using a batarang from my phone case that I came with. I got a Batman phone case, just so you guys know, for my birthday last year. And this is metal and it's sharp too. This thing is close enough to a knife. And I've been using this batarang to unbox beyblades for a little while. And I don't have a setup like Left Burst does for unboxings. I will soon. Maybe. And let's hope. This is rare Jet. Oh, dang it. That's okay. But I was hoping for garbage. Just look at my single chassis bay. I could have gone Ragnarok for this garbage. This way against left, or when it goes against the same direction, it's free spinning like Tornado Wyvern, but it doesn't when it goes against lefts. It can absorb, it has rubber. Let's go onto the disc. Around heavy disc, I don't have it. This is the only one I have. It's really nice, don't have the rare chassis. Let's go onto the Just driver. This thing looks nice, but it's horrible. I'm just gonna slap on Atomic. Like from here, it looks like a tall driver from Emperor Fornius. Looks like a tank, but it's a Wyvern. This is the only TT Wyvern I have, and TT stands for Takara. And this looks really nice. Teeth sound good. Let's just put this aside real quick. I guess I'm unboxing all these in one video because I don't have time to unbox all of them. Jet Wyvern is the only single chassis bay I have. I could have gotten Ragnarok or Satum. If I do Satum, I'll do a battle between Wyvern and Satum, which I won't do yet at all. I'm coming, bro. Really nice. Looks just like this one. Looks just like this one, but it's not. When I get enough money, I'll probably buy another, like a better camera. This looks fake, but it's not actually. Takeo told me it's rubber. When you first buy them, it's like plastic. It's really hard, and it hurts a lot too. And I can't wait to hand and spin this bad boy right here. I have a black ldrago, black one. And I made it a stamina type. It's really garbage. It looks nice. Oh, I just dropped it. Okay. Move on to launcher. I don't really use launchers, string launchers for metal fights, but whatever, I'll just keep this around. Not that long. ldrago. I don't have evil befall at all, so maybe like another time I'll do it. I'll buy one. I do have ldrago destroy, but not a particular. Here we go. I have Hasbro. The power launcher, I mean, it's better. Why does it have screws? This is TT on it, but if you look closely, it has screws. Shouldn't it not have screws? Maybe I'm just dumb. You guys tell me. Final Survive is kind of like Generate, but better, because one, this is Kiritomi. Why is it brown? It's really weird. Get this thing open. I'll make better unboxing videos. I'm pretty sure. Maybe when I get a better camera to record better unboxings, I'll probably make a go to a Beyblade tournament. Maybe. I do have Diablo, well, not Diablo, I probably take Nemesis. Or reverse rotation, however you want to say it. I have Guardian ldrago too, which my friend gave to me a few years ago. I have a Hasbro one, which is garbage. It looks nice. Just straight up trash. It'll probably get easier to use. Or go to a Beyblade tournament just to use this. Why is Metal Fighter, modified version of Spiral, is so much taller than it actually is? Okay, can you guys tell me in the comments down below? Because I would really appreciate it. And also tell me in the comments what Bay Bowlers I should do with Jet Wyvern, ldrago, Destructor, and Meteo. I'll probably do like ldrago Destroy with, maybe I'll do Prototype Nemesis versus ldrago Destructor. Maybe eventually. Thanks for watching. See ya. Hit that like button and subscribe.